What's up guys, Melvin here from hairtransplantnetwork.com. Today I'm going to be telling you guys everything you need to know about beard hair transplants. Alright, let's get started. Alright, the first issue I want to get into with beard hair transplants is the recovery period. For me, the recovery period was around 3 to 4 days. As some of you know, I just had my fourth and hopefully my final hair transplant where I got 1,600 grafts extracted from my beard and transplanted to the crown. It's been now a month since I had my procedure, so let me show you guys how my beard has been healing. The grafts were taken from this area, from here, and from here. And this is after 1,600 grafts. So you can see this is slightly red. I pretty much shaved this. So let me try to get closer to see how you would see if you did a close shave. There you go. So that would be a close shave. You can't see any scar. Now let's talk about the success rate of beard hair transplants. Okay, so to be completely transparent and honest and candid with you guys, the beard hair does not grow as good as scalp hair. That's a fact. Experts like Dr. Pradeep Sethi and Dr. Erica Bazzal, who have been doing beard hair transplants for over a decade, will say that the beard grows around 80% yield, as opposed to the scalp hair, which is 90 to 95% yield. So, meaning if you get, let's say 1,000 grafts, around 800 will grow of those grafts. So that's just an estimate, an approximate. So it's not going to be as good as scalp hair. So always keep in mind, guys, I've heard some guys say, should I just use beard hair to conserve some of my donor? No. Use your donor, and once you don't have any donor left, then you can start using beard hair as a resource. But that should always be done once the scalp hair has been exhausted. Now, another thing you have to keep in mind is that the hair follicles on your beard and your scalp go through different growth phases. For example, the hair follicles on your scalp will be in the anagen growth phase for around 3 to 5 years, whereas the hair on your beard will be in the growth anagen phase for around 1 to 1.5 years. So this means that while some of the hairs are shedding or in the dormant phase, your scalp or the top of your head may look a little bit thinner because some of those beard hairs may be in the dormant phase while the scalp hairs are active. Another thing to consider is that beard hair and scalp hair aren't a perfect match. So even if you have, let's say, curly hair on top and a curly beard hair, it's not going to be a perfect match. It's still going to look a little bit different, so it's really crucial that you select a surgeon that is able to really blend the hairs into the scalp, because you don't want to just get one section just completely filled with beard hair, because it's going to look a little off. The most important things to consider when getting a beard hair transplant is, number one, selecting the right surgeon. It's absolutely crucial that you select the right surgeon. The growth rate, the naturalness, everything is going to depend on the surgeon you select. So choose a surgeon that has a long track record of getting consistent results using beard hair transplants. How do you guys actually find these doctors? How do you guys learn about the best surgeons that are doing BHT? Well, the best place to research is the Hair Restoration Network, which I'm going to go ahead and include in the description box. There you can see real reviews of guys who've had beard hair transplants like myself, share their journey and share their reviews, and you can see the different surgeons that perform these procedures, and then you can draw your own conclusion. So that's what I would suggest. If you're interested in getting a beard hair transplant, go on the forums, start researching, start submitting some consultations, start asking for some before and afters and some comparisons before you make your decision. So I hope you guys found this video informative, and if you did, I would really appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and give the video a like. And if you like the content that I put on this channel, please consider supporting the channel by subscribing. I would really appreciate it. And also, in case you guys want to follow my journey, I will go ahead and link that also in the description box. All right, till next time.